In this video, I will show you how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we are about to find out. This is how to earn money online by just watching videos. Please subscribe and like this video. That way, I will be first to notify you once I have new ideas of how to make money online. First step is to play the video. Second step is to watch the video for at least 60 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Today I'm going to show you the single most effective website for making money online by just watching videos. This website is available for anyone around the world and it's completely free to use. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombox.com. This website is completely free, secure and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the watching TV option. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on the site. Step 2. Select the channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out on more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash and gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch the video to the end to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password. And just click sign up now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for easier access. Now, once you log into your Zoombox account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500. And you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on Zoombox by just watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. To get started, click watch on the left hand side. After that, you see these boxes with Hideout TV written all over them. Next, select Lootably by clicking the start button and you'll be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the category of food, DIY and random videos. On the right hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I'll be taken to this website. You need to sign up for a free account to proceed as you've seen right here. To do so, enter your email address and enter your password and just click sign up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be taken to this page where you can watch all the videos in the food category. Now, if I click this one, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you want on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a whole lot of videos and still do other things. Plus you'll be able to make the most of money in the least amount of time. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking on the settings. To save data, I would like you to put it on the lowest video quality. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many videos as possible and while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective and you can use them right away to double, triple or even quadruple your earnings today.